Today I shall start real numbers. Exercise 1.1. First question is, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225, 196 and 38220 and 867 and 255. Now go to solve. Question number 1, you simply take out the HCF at first, 135 and 225. 135, 1 ja 135, here remainder is 90. HCF, to find the HCF, it is our aim to whenever we get the remainder is 0 up to we go through. Okay, now remainder is 90. So this is 225 is the dividend, 135 is the divisor, 1 is the quotient and 90 is the remainder. Now this divisor should be come here. Okay, 135 you write here, 90 ones are 90, so remainder is 45. Now in this case again this divisor will bring here, so 45 2s are 90. Okay, so using Euclid's division algorithm you have to write in this way: dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this math we have to HCF in 3 steps: 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So I have written step 1. In step 1, 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. And in second step, 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. And in third step, 90 equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. So we have got the remainder 0. So HCF equal to this divisor. Okay, always left side which is the divisor is the HCF. Okay, now second question, 196 and 38220. First 196, 1 ja 196, remainder is 186 and this 2 will come here, and again 196 into 9 equal to 1764, remainder is 90, so this 0 will come here, and 196 5 ja 980. So in one step this division is completed. So using Euclid's division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, only this is there is first step. So 38220 equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. So HCF equal to this divisor. So HCF equal to 196, answer. And third is 255 and 867. 255 3s are 765. Remainder is 102. So this divisor will come here. 102 into 2 equal to 204. Remainder is 51 and this divisor will come here. 51 2 ja 102. Remainder is 0. So our division completed. So using Euclid's division algorithm, always you have to write down this formula: dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So step 1, step 2, step 3. In step 1, 867 equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. And in step 2, 255 equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. And in step 3, 102 equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. So HCF equal to this divisor 51, answer. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Listen the question very carefully. Show that any positive odd integers is of the form either 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Now I am going to explain the question again. If a number which is positive odd integer and greater than 6, because it is divided by 6, you may take greater than 6 odd integer, that is 7, 9, 11. Okay, and if we divide this number by the number 6, then the form of the division is either 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Now listen whatever I done. Proof: let a be any positive integer. So it is divided by 6. So quotient equal to Q and remainder equal to R. And R must be less than 6 because remainder is always less than divisor. Here divisor is 6 and either or equal to greater than equal to 0. Means R greater than 0 or equal to 0. So R means remainder may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because divisor is 6, so 6 less than 6 here will be remainder. Now Euclid's using Euclid's division lemma or algorithm are same. Now the formula you write down one time. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have taken the dividend A, means A is divided, which number should be divided, that is dividend, and by which number it is divided, it is the divisor. Here divisor equal to 6, quotient Q and remainder R. And there are so many cases, R equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when R equal to 0, then you put here the value of R. So A equal to 6Q plus 0. And when R equal to 1, A equal to 6Q plus 1. I have only put the values of R, okay. When R equal to 2, A equal to 6Q plus 2. When R equal to 3, A equal to 6Q plus 3. When R equal to 4, A equal to 6Q plus 4. And when R equal to 5, A equal to 6Q plus 5. Now look again. When 6Q had, in first case, A equal to 6Q, because 0 should not be written. 6Q can be split up as 2 into 3Q. Okay. So 2 is one of the factor, and if 2 is one of the factor, then the number is even. You know it. If 2 is one of the factor, then number is even. And here 6Q plus 1. You cannot take common 2. You cannot take common 2. You cannot take common 2. So it is odd because 2 is not a factor of 6Q plus 1. Okay. And when A equal to 6Q plus 2, you can take common 2. So in bracket you write 3Q plus 1. Here two factors, 2 one of the factor and 3Q plus 1 is other factor. So since 2 is one of the factor, then the number is even. And again, when A equal to 6Q plus 3, you cannot take common 2. So 2 is not a factor here. So it is odd. Understand? Whatever I have told, when 2 is one of the factor, then it is even. And if 2 is not a factor, then it is odd. And here A equal to 6Q plus 4. So 2 you take common, and in bracket 3Q plus 2. So 2 is factor, so is even. And last A equal to 6Q plus 5. 2 is not a factor, so it is odd. So you look here, where odd numbers are 6Q plus 1. Form of this number is 6Q plus 1 for odd. For again odd, this is 6Q plus 3. And for odd number, it is the form of 6Q plus 5. Which is our achievement? Any positive odd integer is of the form either 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. Proved. I am going to explain more by the example. Okay. In a positive odd integer which is greater than 6, you can take 7 or 9 or 11. When 7 is divided by 6, what we get? 6 into 1 plus 1, remainder is 1. So it is the form 6Q plus 1. And when 9, when you divide 9 by 6, so 6 into 1 by plus 3, because 3 is the remainder. So it is form 6Q plus 3. And when 11 is divided by 6, remainder is 5. 6 1 is 6 and remainder will be 5. So its form is 6Q plus 5. Okay. So by example, I have explained how any positive odd integer which is greater than 6 is either of the form 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. Now okay, you come to the question number 3. Question is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. Two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Means total number of members in an army contingent equal to 616, okay, and number of members in each band equal to 32, and you have to arrange the numbers in a columns that both of the columns will be same. So you have to take out the ACA. So directly I have taken the take out the ACA. 32 and 6 1 see. 32 1 ja 32, remainder is 29. 6 will become here 32 9 ja 288. So here remainder is 8, and so this divisor will come here 32 8 4 the 32 0 remainder. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this math have done, this division have done in two steps. Step 1, 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8, and step 2, 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. So ACF equal to 8. So maximum number of coulombs by which the armies members of armies can be arranged equal to 8. Okay.